Hello happy kids, I want to show you guys something. Ta-da! This is my new toy. So this is a fruit puzzle. Let's unbox them together, okay? Wow! Wow, this is so cute and there are many. Oh no! It's all messy now. What? You want to help me to collect them all? Really? Thank you so much. Let's get into it. Let's choose this first. Oh, do you know what fruit is this? Yes, it's a watermelon. The outer layer is thick and smooth and varies from light to darker green in color, some with stripes. What are the watermelon's flesh color? Yes, it's red and it's sweet and watery. Yummy! Let's move to the next one. Do you know what fruit is this? Yes, it's peach. Peaches are small fruit with a fuzzy peel and a sweet white or yellow flesh. What do peach taste like? Yes, it is sweet with a little acidity. Next we have, do you know what is this? Yes, it's a lemon. Most of lemon's outer layer are bright yellow. Are lemons spicy or sour? Yes, lemon is sour due to the presence of citric acid. Next we have, yes, an orange. Oranges are round. Orange trees have dark green shiny leaves and small white flowers. Oops, which one of them contains orange? Yes, correct. You are smart. Next we have yes, a grape. This is also known as a berries too. They are delicious even you eat them raw. What is the color of grapes? Yes, it's purple. Wow, do you know what is this? Yes, it's strawberry. Do you like strawberry? Yeah, so do I. What is the color of strawberry? Yes, it's red. Wow, you're so smart, happy kids. I know what is this. Do you know it too? Yes, it's an avocado. Avocado is a green fruit that sits in many dishes, both sweet and salty dishes, they all yum. Which one you like it most? Oh, I like that too. Next we have pineapple. This is SpongeBob's house. What does pineapple taste like? Yes, it's white. The flesh is yellow. Next we have an apple. Yes, apple is a round, sweet and juicy fruit. The outer layer is red, but do you know what color inside of the apple? Yes, it's white. Next, this is a cherry. Yes, you're correct. We usually find them in the top of cake and whipped cream. What is the color of cherry? Yes, it is the same color with strawberry and watermelon's flesh. This puzzle is so pretty. So this is yes, it's a banana. Banana has soft skin, juicy flesh and many tiny seeds. What color is banana? Yes, it's yellow, both on the skin and its flesh, and it's delicious. I think this is the last fruit. Do you know what fruit is this? Yes, this is durian. Durian is known with its pungent smell and its pointy skin. Do you know what is the color of durian's flesh? Yes, it's like yellow. Yay! We have finished this fruit puzzle. Yeah! Thank you so much for your help and thank you so much for watching. Let's meet another video. Bye bye.